ITN News and Weather. Live to you today, Jeremy Wastow.
Breaking news just in. We've got fire attacks in Malaysia. Kuala Lumpur. Brian Chu makes some Jimmy Choo shoes. That's it, just in. He sewed them himself. Come on, let's get out there.
Now the weather with Brian Chu.
Brian Chu, take it away.
In the weather.
Come on, the weather.
And this is a tornado. Yeah?
Come on, keep going.
This is clouds. This is a tornado.
That is attractive.
See you again at 9.
Oh, fuck. Dude, you broke